In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pencil or drawing tools in TradingView, a popular platform for charting and technical analysis. Whether you're accessing TradingView from a mobile device or a desktop computer, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can add annotations to your price charts with ease. Let's start with the mobile users. As you open the TradingView app on your device, your first task is to locate the pencil icon. This essential tool can be found at the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, a menu will pop up showcasing various drawing tools available at your disposal. Here, you can choose the tool that best fits your needs, such as a trend line, a horizontal line, or any of the other options provided. Once you've selected your preferred tool, it's time to apply it to your chart. Simply tap on the chart at the point where you'd like to start your annotation and then drag your finger across the screen to adjust the position and size of the tool. This action allows you to visually interpret the data on your chart more effectively. Now, moving on to desktop users. When you're using the TradingView platform on a desktop, you'll find the drawing tools conveniently located in a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. If for some reason you don't see this panel, don't worry. Simply look around for a toolbar or click on a drawing icon to reveal it. Once it's visible, you'll notice a variety of subgroups within the panel, each containing different drawing tools like the Gann, the Fibonacci, as well as simple lines. To use a tool, click on it to activate it. Then move to your price chart and click to set a starting point. For tools like the trend line, click again to set an endpoint. This will help you lay out your technical annotations accurately. Here are a few tips to maximize your use of these drawing tools. First, take advantage of the customization options. By accessing the settings menu for a particular tool, you can alter its color, adjust the line style, and change other properties to suit your preferences. This personal touch can greatly enhance the visual clarity of your chart annotations. For those who prefer quick access, explore the keyboard shortcuts available for popular drawing tools. These shortcuts are listed in the drop-down menus within the Drawing Tools panel and can save you time while charting. Lastly, always remember that drawing tools are primarily for annotation, not for generating trading signals. Use them to identify patterns, levels, and trends that align with your overall trading strategy, thus enhancing your understanding of market movements. By following these steps and tips, you'll be able to use TradingView's drawing tools effectively to support your technical analysis activities. Happy charting!